Hello to you. Today, we are going to make a podstol. It will consist of pipes of different diameters, namely such and such. These plumbing pipes are cheap, sutured. And these things here, they should go into each other like this and be fixed, but we have a gap here, so we'll weld it here. Then we'll grind it all in the lathe, and we'll get a more or less decent connection like this, which will be notified later.
И получится уже более-менее приличное вот такое соединение, о котором будет оповествовано позже.
We need to make 10 of these blanks. To do this, we go to our favorite bandsaw. We clamp the workpiece in a vise, press the button, and the saw saws smoothly and does everything for us. That's the quality, and you can be sure that it's 90 degrees here.
И все делает за нас. Вот такого качества, и можно быть уверенным, что здесь 90 градусов.
It should fit snugly on this. But this backlash is bad, so we will do the following.
Поэтому будем делать следующее.
Now it doesn't fit. It's time for the lathe. The Bulgarian lathe is gaining momentum. The key, please note, is in the cartridge. I have already mentioned this. We clamp our blank, turn on the machine and the grinder, and instead of sticking with a sheet, we end with a grinder. A sample of our legs. Gorgeous. And now we will see what happened and what has become. Where's the key? Here's the key. We leave the key in the cartridge, and now we have it. It got hotter. If someone wants to say that we don't know how to sharpen, then yes, we don't know how to sharpen. Pick it up. Hot. Well, are you just or who? We all continue to work. They beat, but the Bulgarians don't care. With a high-precision caliber, we check the product and pass organoleptic control for 5. In order to weld one pipe with another imperceptibly, it is necessary to make a hole in a larger pipe, drill a hole, but since this diameter is not enough for us, now we change the 5 to 10.
Но так как этого диаметра нам сугубо недостаточно, сейчас пятерочку меняем на десяточку.
And 10 millimeters into the hole is fine, everything will weld. These babies will have their feet on the floor, these fronts will be put on the floor. They are a little too big, but we will shorten them. We set it approximately exactly. We don't need super smooth, since. So we will still process it on a lathe. Well, actually, we grab it and boil it. Well, we do this procedure 4 times. And now it's time to start processing the seams so that everything is beautiful. Well, like this. Now it will cool down, and you can continue processing. While you can process the following. Our pink machine tool allows you to make small blanks from large blanks. Let's get started. Since we have already made the lower part of the legs, we were finally able to find out the length that we need to saw off. We're going to our favorite saw. Since these are the legs of the table, and they must be exactly the same, in order for the table to be even, we put a stop. Woof, woof, as if one thing fits the other, just a gorgeous coincidence of details.
Как будто бы одно к другому подходит. Просто шикарное совпадение деталей.
Coincidence of details. The fall of the morals of the details will cook the part on which the countertop falls. How to do it is not clear, but we will come up with something. I'm sure we need to know the size by how much from this point to this plane. I suggest looking at it in the drawings. Our friend the welding table helps us to put it exactly on the eye.
От этой точки до этой плоскости. Предлагаю посмотреть его в чертежах. Наш друг сварочный стол помогает нам выставлять ровно на глаз.
Eyes. Eyes. I'll save you boredom. Whatever there is. But these pipes did not fit each other, so I had two, but where it comes out, on the contrary.